everyone. I am so glad that you are joining me today here on my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and today I am making a very special sweet treat. What I'm making is frozen s'more bars. Yes, you heard me, frozen s'more bars. These are delicious and they are perfect for your 4th of July cookout or barbecue. So let me show you how to make them. Okay, to make these frozen s'more bars, it is super easy and there's just 5 ingredients. Very basic. We have the graham crackers, a half a gallon of vanilla ice cream, some marshmallow fluff, a box of chocolate pudding, and then 2 cups of milk. So it's just a matter of mixing these ingredients together and assembling them, freezing them. So let me just show you how to do that. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix up my pudding. And I'm just following the instructions on the back of the box. So next I have a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I have lined it with parchment paper. And this just helps whenever everything is frozen, you can kind of lift it out and then cut it into bars. But I'm going to line the 9 by 13 pan with my graham crackers. Okay, so this is a little bit like putting a jigsaw puzzle together. And then I'm just simply going to take my pudding and spread it out over these graham crackers. Okay, so now I'm just going to place this in my freezer for 20 minutes. Okay, so next I'm going to combine my ice cream and my marshmallow fluff. Now I will say that I have had this ice cream sitting out for about an hour just so that it's softened, it's nice and thawed, and I'm going to combine it with 1 cup of this marshmallow fluff. Also, if you wanted to do a reduced fat or lower in sugar frozen s'more, then use reduced fat or sugar-free ice cream. You could also use the sugar-free pudding mix, and then that would save you some calories and sugar. But I'm just going to pour my ice cream into this big mixing bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to take this marshmallow fluffy ice cream and pour over top of my pudding that has been in the freezer for 20 minutes. And then I'm just going to spread this out. And next I'm going to top them with some more graham crackers. Okay, so now I'm going to place this back into the freezer for right around 4 to 6 hours until it freezes solid, and then you can cut it into bars. Super easy, right? Okay, so my frozen s'more bars are frozen. So because of this parchment paper, it's going to make it really easy for me to just lift them right up out of this baking dish, just like that. And now I'm going to cut them into bars. would you just look at this? This is beautiful. A frozen s'more bar. I mean, who would have thought, right? A frozen s'more bar. And just look at it. I have a feeling that this might be a little bit messy. Oh my, these are amazing. You are going to love them. I really hope that you give them a try. So I just want to say happy 4th of July, and as we prepare to celebrate, my thoughts and my prayers are with our nation. I'm praying for peace, and I'm praying for us to love one another and for us to stand together, united, one nation under God. So happy 4th, and I will see you soon with more recipes.